If you want to make bank in 2023 using online courses, then listen up. I'm about to give you some serious, tough love so that you can actually get the results you're after. For the past several weeks, I have been raving about Digital Course Academy, Amy Porterfield's step-by-step online course that is going to teach you everything that you need to know in order to get your online course business up and running. In last week's video, I showed my real numbers of what it looked like when I followed this Digital Course Academy launch plan for 1 year. In short, I was able to make $96,000 in revenue and $85,000 in profit. While the money was nice, the best part about following this system is that it allowed me to transition fully out of trading time for money in my service-based business to being full-time in my online course business. And that was a big win for me. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I only had 1,000 people on my email list when I first got started with this, so I'm telling ya, this stuff works. This video is for those of you that have checked out some of the videos over the past several weeks, and you're now scratching your head wondering if Digital Course Academy is your next step. Psst, yes it is. And here's why. I'm not gonna tell you that launching an online course is easy because it is anything but. It is going to challenge you to the nth degree. It's gonna be very uncomfortable to get in front of your network and say, I have value to offer, and yes, you need to pay me for it. When you do it right, it will entirely change your life, and that is not an understatement. But here's the thing, just choosing to go all in with the course business is not enough. If you try to go off and replicate the results like the ones I got on your own, it's likely going to fail. And I know that sounds harsh, but it's true. And I'm telling you this from a tough love standpoint because I've seen it happen so many times and I don't want it to happen to you. In last week's video, I broke down my numbers when I deviated from Amy Porterfield's plan. And this is after already knowing how to do a successful launch. I thought I could take the information that I had, hire professionals, create this really complex sales funnel, have it work even better than it did the previous year when I was doing the launch model. And it did not. I made $85,000 profit with the live launch model following Amy Porterfield's plan and $21,000 profit when I tried to deviate and do it on my own. And once again, this was after I already knew what I was doing. So imagine if you're just starting from scratch, you're not going to get the same results. This is my 3rd year being an affiliate for DCA, and every single year I watch people pass up this opportunity and decide to go and do this on their own. They think they have just enough information. They put in all of this hard work, blood, sweat, and tears to create the online course. They think that that's enough, right? They go and attempt to launch it on their own and discover that it is a miserable failure and very few people, if at all, bought the course. They make the sad and inaccurate conclusion that this online course business thing just isn't for them. Today, they're doing the exact same thing that they were doing this time last year when Amy Porterfield launched her course and they passed it up. Don't be that person. Now, if this was you last year, I highly suggest actually joining Digital Course Academy this year and doing it right because your dreams of having an online course business are very valid and it is possible, but you need a roadmap to make it happen. So to further incentivize those of you that are on the fence, I am offering to build your course alongside you. Anyone who joins Digital Course Academy through my affiliate link is going to get access to my DCA bonus experience. In this mastermind experience, you're going to get access to my DCA Cliff Notes that are going to help you approach each module in an efficient way, decide which action steps to take first, as well as what to hire out to be able to speed your way to course success. You'll also get access to a WhatsApp group with me and anyone who joins DCA through me this year so that you can have a small group experience as you move through Digital Course Academy. You'll be able to ask ideas, bounce ideas off of each other, kind of brainstorm together, take action together, keep each other accountable. And if you want to nerd out on your human design chart and ask how you could approach DCA in a way that's actually going to match your natural energy, I'm totally down to nerd out about that in this group chat as well. Because if you haven't learned by now, I'm kind of obsessed. What do you say? Are you ready to make 2023 your year to make a big impact online? Then go ahead and use the link in the description below to make sure that you are signing up for Digital Course Academy through my affiliate link. If you have have any questions or hesitations, please don't hesitate to reach out. Shoot me an email with what your hesitations are and let's chat through it. Truly, truly, if you know that you're going to create an online course in 2023, do not let this experience pass you by. I am telling you, you will end up in the same place this time next year if you try to do it yourself, especially if you have no knowledge in how to launch a course. It is so much harder than you might currently think, and Amy Porterfield truly makes it easy by following her step-by-step plan, and you'll have me alongside you making it happen. So go ahead and use that link in the description below, and I'll see you on the inside of the bonus experience so that we can get you up and running in your online course journey.